How to slow down the opening and closing animation of a React CSSTransition sidebar. Slowing down sidebar animations with React CSSTransition. If you're working with React and looking to add some smooth animations to your sidebar, the React Transition Group library is a handy tool that makes this process straightforward. This post will guide you on how to slow down the opening and closing animation of a sidebar using React CSSTransition. Prerequisites. To follow along, you should have a basic understanding of ReactJS and components, CSS transitions, the React Transition Group library, step-by-step guide. Install the React Transition Group library. First, you need to install the library if you haven't already. Set up your sidebar component. Create a sidebar component that you want to animate. Here's a basic example. Create CSS for transitions. In your CSS file, define the transition properties. For example, in the above CSS code, transition 0.5s is used to control the speed of the animation. You can change the timeout prop in the CSS transition component and the duration in the CSS to create the desired animation speed. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily slow down the opening and closing animations of your React CSSTransition sidebar. Simply adjust the timeout value in the CSS transition component and the transition duration in your CSS file. This approach gives you full control over how animations appear, making your app's UI more polished and responsive.